How to fix sorry this application cannot run under a virtual machine error. Hello everyone and let's get started. If you are facing this error due to the virtual machine, here is the fix that you can try. So for this, first of all you need to press in Windows plus R to open the Run tab. Once you open it, type in regedit. Once you tap on regedit, type in OK and it will open the registry editor. Once you open the registry editor, click on computer and then on HK local machine. Under HK local machine, go to hardware. Once you click on hardware, click on ACPI and then on DSDT. Once you tap on it, there should be a folder called as VBox or VirtualBox. Right click on it and rename it to NoBox. Once you do so, let's move on to the next step. For that, you have to go to HK local machine and this time select on description. Under description, you have the option called system. Tap on system and then on the right side, you will see an option called as system bio version. Right click on it and then go to modify. In the value data, you have some options. Delete all of it and then type in nobox-1. Once you do so, click on OK and then you're good to go. Now for the last option, you must have an option called as video bio version. Right click on it and go to modify and delete all the values in the value data. And then you have to restart your computer and then the issue should probably be fixed. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.